Hi, I'm Matthias Reck. I'm here with Robin Matlock at Mobile Congress. Hi, Robin. How are you doing?
Hi, Matthias. Good to be here.
Good. Well, we're here with Dell Technologies, and can you tell us a bit more about what the theme, Realize What Possible, means?
Sure. So, first of all, we think that if you really look at what's going around, I mean, even look here at the show floor, there's so much possibility in the industry right now. And we really want to help our customers thrive in this era of possibilities. And we feel like VMware has a lot of opportunity to help our customers really capitalize on the opportunities that are before them. And ultimately, it's about realizing the full extent of what's possible. And in mobile and cloud, there's a tremendous amount of opportunity for these customers.
That's great. That's great. Now, there's a lot of big consumer brands here, right? We're right next to Samsung. Why is Mobile Congress such an important event for VMware?
Yeah, it's becoming even an increasingly more important event as the years go on. First of all, we got our foray here into Mobile World Congress through AirWatch.
Right.
And this was a big part of AirWatch's strategy. When we acquired AirWatch, we came and got to know Mobile World Congress and have found so many opportunities for the whole of the VMware business. So it's no longer just about mobility and our AirWatch strategy, but it's also about NFV, what we're doing in the telco network space. It's about software-defined networking and what we're doing with NSX. It's about management and automation. There's just a lot of great opportunities that are very relevant to these telcos and service providers.
The digital workspace is very much part of that core VMware brand, right? What are you hearing from customers around that category?
Around the workspace in particular? Yeah, first of all, I think the workspace and the notion of a digital workspace is catching hold. Like we're starting to see other people use that terminology. And for us, it's really about a fusion of a lot of things. It's not just mobility, it's about whatever workspace, your desktop, your mobile device, it's about the delivery of applications, it's about identity and security and protecting that workspace to ensure that it's really secured for you. And it's a culmination of all those things, which is really a big part of our end-user computing strategy.
Now, I think you won an award yesterday for the best cloud product, so congratulations again.
Thank you, we did. It was exciting. Workspace won. It was an amazing accomplishment. Very excited about it.
So VMware is primarily known as a virtualization company in the past. How has that changed, and what are you hearing from customers around that?
It's a great question and one we get often. First of all, perceptions are hard to change, and our tremendous success in compute virtualization has forever established our reputation as a market leader in compute virtualization. But the truth of the matter is we do so much more. And we've taken our strengths in compute virtualization and extended that deep into the data center. Virtualizing storage, virtualizing network, driving automation on top of that with management solutions. Of course, our end user computing has a plethora of capabilities relative to, desktops, mobility, identity, content, security. So, I think customers are learning more and more about the breadth and depth of what we have to offer. But without a doubt, it's kind of a long-term journey to open up people's perspectives about what VMware really is about. Of course, we are the world leader in compute virtualization, but we're a lot more than that.
Now, VMworld Europe is coming up in September. We're going to be back in Barcelona. Can you give us a glimpse of what's going to happen? What's changed? What's new?
Well, first of all, one thing that's new is we're in September, so everybody mark your calendar. It'll be a little earlier this year. Barcelona's beautiful that time of year, so that'll be wonderful. I think this year, and we're still have quite a bit of work and planning to do, we're gearing up for it. First of all, I think the content will be architected on 4 major themes. There's going to be a lot of content focusing on how to modernize data centers, integrating public clouds, enabling the digital workspace, a lot of what we talked about here at Mobile World Congress, and then security is a really hot topic. So the notion of transforming security. I do think that the cloud consumption models, we made some big announcements last year. Customers are going to want to hear what progress have we made, so I would, little sneak peek, think there'll be some interesting news relative to our cloud strategy as well.
That's really exciting, Robin. So see you back in September. We're looking forward to VMworld Europe 2017. Thank you.
I love Barcelona. I look forward to coming back. Thanks, Matthias.